This is the solution video for section 9.3, problem number 1. All right, so it says consider the differential equation dy dx equals 2x. Sketch a graph of the slope field on the given points. All right, so remember what we need to do is we need to take each of these 12 points and we need to think about the x and y value. So let's start here. Okay, our first point is -1 comma 0, right? So that means we're going to plug that in to the differential equation to figure out the slope. So -1, 0. So that means x is -1. So 2 times -1 is -2. So we're going to draw a line segment with a slope of -2. So like that. All right. Then we go here. This is 0, 0, right? So we're going to plug in x equals 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. So we're going to draw a line segment with a slope of 0. This point is 1 comma 0. So we're going to plug in 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. So positive 2. All right. Then here, 2 comma 0, right? So now x is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to draw a steeper slope than that. All right. Going over here. Now this is -1, 1. But remember, the x value is all that matters. So -1. So 2 times -1 is -2, right? Sorry, that should be a little bit steeper. All right. Then this x value is 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, right? Over here, same thing. Okay. -2, 0, +2, +4. So that is it for part A. All right. So now for part B, let y equals f of x be the particular solution to this differential equation with the initial condition that f of 0 is 1. Find the solution to the differential equation with the initial condition. All right, so this is an old question. This is like a unit 6 question, but let's make sure we still understand how to do it. So remember, if I have dy dx equals 2x, first step is to separate the variables. So dy equals 2x dx. All right, and so now once I separate the variables, I'm ready to integrate. All right, integral of dy is y. Okay, integral of 2x is 2x squared over 2, or just x squared, plus c. Remember, this is an indefinite integral. So now I want to use the fact that f of 0 is 1, so y is 1, so 1 equals 0 squared plus c, so c equals 1. So that means my equation is y equals x squared plus 1. All right, and so that would be the answer for 2b. All right, now 2c, draw a graph of y equals f of x on the slope field. Now, obviously, you know what this graph looks like, okay? But a couple important things. This curve must go through 0, 1, right? So 0, 1, right? And then it must follow the slope. So as you go to the right, the slope is 2 times the x value, all right? And so it's going to get steeper and steeper and steeper that way, right? And then as you go to the left, it's going to get negative, right? And so it's going to go this way. So that is, in fact, what the graph of y equals x squared plus 1 looks like, all right? So that is problem number 1.